Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, January 6th, 2001, 10 a.m. You will be happy for your brother. We will do everything possible to help him. Do not worry about his departure. Let his wife not worry either. His stay on earth was a step in his evolution. He has yet to go a long way, and we will help him advance in the right direction. That is the way reincarnations on earth are. They follow one another without notable changes, and then comes a moment when everything changes. The desired level is reached, or the grace is such that the opportunity to actually progress is there. In both cases, opportunity is given to the entity to efficiently go ahead, and then progress can be made quickly. Each day of life is a step to go through. Each day offers the opportunity to surpass oneself. Ordeals carry a different meaning when one's existence is viewed from this angle. It is soothing to ensure that the assessment of the day is positive. Not everything is perfect. Absolute saintliness is rare, but one single heart impulse, spontaneous and fully selfless, can embellish the saddest day. Let it be your offering to the Creator, no matter whether you are happy or unhappy. Babuji. Sunday, January 7th, 2001, 10 a.m. To you, my dear son, on a tree, however vigorous it may be, some bad fruits are unavoidable. Do they take away from the quality of the whole? Is thus the tree less sturdy? No, nothing affects it in depth. Nature is watchful. It preserves what is good and must remain, even though inclemencies come. Shake it and manhandle the tree as a whole. Have no fear, my son. We speak in metaphors. As we cannot go into the details of these sad stories which worry you so much, we see to it to calm things down for the mission and to neutralize these troublemakers. Continue on your way. We will take stock of the situation before long. You would rather wait and see how things turn out. You cannot solve everything, even with the best will. We pity these brothers and sisters who act behind your back, respecting neither your person nor my revered master and myself. The mission won't necessarily be destabilized. Like all serious past and present ways, it will experience trying times. It is in the nature of things. Even though that momentarily affects it, it will start again in the future more thriving than ever. Be at peace, nevertheless, my son. Be trustful for us and for your own good. Babuji.